To me, good interior design is a house that looks fantastic while being functional and appropriate to the architecture and location. And that's exactly what I did here in my client's house. Hi, I'm interior designer John Barman. Welcome to this house I decorated in Wainscott, New York. The goal here was to have a country look appropriate to the environment in Wainscott. Right from the entry, you walk straight into the living room. The goal here was to have a comfortable area with a lot of seating for a big family. We achieved that with large-scale but comfortable furnishings. As you can see, there are no hi-hats or recessed lights in the ceiling. This was to add to the country mood, so the room is only lit by picture lights, sconces, and lamps. Here you can see the introduction of the blue and white theme that's carried throughout the house. We painted the panel walls white and introduced the blue in the furnishings and the rug. All the fabrics have thick texture, giving it a country look and making it very durable. The blue theme is continued in the dining room. I installed a banquette down the entire length of the room. This made it more friendly, functional, and welcoming. Since this room is basically used only in the evening, we used a dark blue wallpaper with birds. This sets a more intimate mood. And to add a focal point and conversation piece, I introduced this steel chandelier to give even lighting to the room. This is a generously sized kitchen, so I wanted to take advantage of every inch. The blue and white theme continues. White cabinets, blue rug, white tiles, blue fabrics. It's rare that a kitchen has a fireplace, so I flanked it with 2 window seats below picture windows facing the garden. I filled the room with a large custom round table. It's friendly, inviting, and great for serving food family style. And the leather web chairs are not only great looking, but very comfortable. The kitchen has an oversized marble-topped island. It's great for cooking and also for serving. And because the island was oversized, it allowed me to add this unique pot rack above. The lights above the sink were originally from a train station. They add character and interest to the room while giving good lighting at the same time. And for a pop of color, I added red leather stools under the breakfast bar. When designing, I think it's important to have a sense of cohesiveness and flow. So I added a runner from the entry hall, up the stairs, down the hallway, which leads you right to the primary bedroom. I wanted to take advantage of the high ceiling in the primary bedroom, so I added a wood, iron, and fabric 4-poster bed. When you're in it, you can't help but feel like royalty. It also centers the room on the fireplace. Of course, the blue and white theme is continued in the primary bedroom too. You can see it in the wallpaper, the bedding, and the rug. The patterned wallpaper was a bit of a stretch for the clients, but the room needed it to make it more interesting and inviting. Right outside the primary bedroom, I added a reading nook. It's a perfect place to cuddle up with a book. This is a lovely outdoor area, and I knew I had to take advantage of it. I added different areas: dining, seating, and another seating area inside the screen porch. The fan over the outside sitting area comes in very handy for those hot Hamptons summer days and nights. And of course, you can always take a dip if you want to cool off. A perfect place to end your day or start your evening. And this is the perfect place to end the tour. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?